everybody, my name is Jeff Lee. I'm the RUF campus minister here at Christopher Newport, and I am a full-time missionary. And as ministry is growing, we reach more college students here at Christopher Newport for the glory of God. We also have a growing need for more finances and financial commitments here at Christopher Newport. And so I'm asking, as the Lord has given generously to you, that you would consider giving $10, $20, $30 or even more a month to RUF at Christopher Newport. All donations are tax deductible, and it is a wonderful ministry to give to. I love doing this. But as the ministry is growing, we have growing needs for finances. So please consider giving. There's a link at the bottom underneath this video where you can give, and we hope that the Lord will bless you and that you will bless us as well too. So thank you so much, and may the Lord bless you.